Hello, I am Tuija Kallio from the Unit of Measurement Technology at the University of Oulu, and I will shortly tell you about our SMARTFEED project. So in our SMARTFEED EIP-AGRI Operational Group, we have University of Oulu and ProAgria Eastern Finland, that is the local rural advisory services in the area. And then we have 8 cattle farms, a veterinarian, and then 2 companies. So SEMES is manufacturing silage samplers, and then MTech is a software company providing farm management software. And during the project, we have also collaborated with 2 operational groups in Estonia. The challenge currently has been that the silage analytics require too much time, and due to this, accurate optimization of feeding is not possible on a daily basis. The solution we have developed during the project was to enhance on-farm dry matter monitoring of feeding, so to decrease labor and time needed for dry matter monitoring and obtain better profitability for the farm by more accurate feeding. So in the project, we developed a new silage sampler that can be attached to a bale gripper, and the silage sampling can be done simultaneously when, for example, transferring the bales. So here you can see the sampler. Then after collecting samples, we focused on-farm dry matter measurements. In the project, we did method development for a commercial device and validated the methods for grass silage and total mixed ratio. And then finally, when you have the dry matter results, we wanted to have the best use for the results. So we developed a mobile app for TMR recipe recalculation. It is an Android app that has data storage and user control. And basically, the measured dry matter values are entered to the app where you have your TMR recipe. And based on the changed values, the recipe is then recalculated. Also, if the amount of TMR components are changed, they can be easily recalculated with the app. And the optimal dry matter of TMR can be adjusted by water addition. Thank you.